Sanibona Ndibela Nomshini. Hi, welcome to Tumisi. Itiye elishisa be elifuna ukuthi ungaliphuzi ujahile kodwa uliphuze uhleli phansi ngoba uzusha. Let's get into the video. Indaba kaMseleku nosisi wakhe uMpume izwisa ubuhlungu, especially the fact that uMpume got lobolad while uMseleku was unaware. He had to hear from other people ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi usisi wakho uloboliwe, and he is so concerned because as we know ukuthi one thing about uMseleku kumele atshele uGok Flow ukuthi yazini Flow kwenzeka kanje nakanje nakanje. He needs to update his ancestors, and he's like ngizothini ku Flow manje mengifika ngoba angazi nokuthi uMpume ushadele kweliphi ikhaya kwesiphi isibongo. This is very sad considering the fact that I remember season 1, season 2, I don't know how many seasons she was on. They had a very solid relationship. It was Umseleku nosisi wakhe. There were even moments where Umpume spoke about the fact ukuthi ukhulise uMseleku, and to see them not getting along, I think that this must have been a big thing, because if it was a small thing, they could have gotten along, they could have fixed it by now. But the fact ukuthi namhlanje he has to keep addressing the fact umndeni wakhe, it's so sad, and especially because umndeni wakhe, most of them sebamjikele. Oh my God, it's so sad. Hence why umbona every time trying to mend his relationship with his family. And I'm glad ukuthi uMangwabe did not live. Imagine ushiye usisi wakho chiki so ushiya umfazi wakhe nengane zakho. That would have been sad. Props to Mangwabe, even though she keeps singing that old boring song of hers ukuthi uzohamba yize sazi kahle ukuthi she is not going anywhere. Then Umseleku asked for advice from his wives and said, in this situation, what should one do? And then uMayiqele, as always, was like, no, ungayi-entertain phuma kuyo uthule ungasho lutho. And then for me, I'm like, how ungasho kanjani ukuthi abantu bengazwani bethule bengasho lutho? Because that silence is the reason why they are not getting along today, because some things need to be spoken about so that they can be resolved. If umuntu ethula na uthula, yini ezokwazi ukuxazulula indaba zenu? Like, I felt like that was unnecessary. And he said, and uMayiqele said, we've done a lot of begging. Kunini unqenga isikhathi sokunqenga sisekho. I'm like, oh, should that's why, that's the kind of advice she probably is giving Umseleku in terms of uMakhumalo or the other wives. Shuthi he keeps on saying that dala unqenga, you know, right now isikhathi sokunqenga siphelile, do what you gotta do, baby. And then uMayeni's advice was the fact ukuthi ungcono baye ku retreat. Le retreat le bekuye thina bekumele kuye uMpume noMseleku. And one thing that I'm like, how mara Mayeni musle retreat azange imsebenzele, so izosebenzela kanjani uMseleku nosisi wakhe mangabe ihlule nina? Like, make it make sense. It doesn't make sense, really. uMangwabe was the one with the best advice. She said that Umseleku noMpume, they need to speak, because Umseleku, that's the only sibling enaye. So if engakhulumi naye ejikele umntana wakhe laba bashare ibele, who is he going to have by his side? Because abafazi bengakujikela kodwa umntana kini, they say blood is thicker than water. So he definitely needs to make sure ukuthi ulungisa izinto nomntwana wakibo. And that advice, I felt like that was the best advice out of them all. And uMakhumalo was like, next, mina ngazi lutho, mina ngiyifunela upelepele. And one thing about uMakhumalo, the disrespect. Umseleku is out there addressing izinto zomndeni regardless of whatever, but yena ubhizi ubukele ibhola. Let's hope ukuthi akabukelanga lo bhuti lo yabeka win award lo bekamjabulele kakhulu azafuna ukuqoma aye nase stage, because if that's the same guy that he was watching, I mean, cricket for uMakhumalo is giving, let me tour. And Umseleku decided ukuthi yazini, let me inform the wives ukuthi bekuyenzakalani empilweni zengane zami nokuthi zithini inhlelo zabantwana bami. And he spoke about the fact ukuthi uMpumelelo, uSibindi, usenabafazi, sihambile sayolobola kaMabiyela, those type of vibes. And uMayeni was not happy because he's like, oh, because abafazi bakho ba very important, ubone isidingo sokuthi uba-informe, but when it came to me, you were not informing me. Uvele wabona kahle ukuthi there's no need ukuthi ngim-informe, because according to you, maybe I am not important. But when it comes to Makhumalo, Mangwabe and Macele, you felt the need. Mcele said the reason why izinto zingayenzekanga kahle is because when it was time for ilobola Amahle, he was very sick, so maybe he was not thinking straight those vibes. But Mangwabe was like, Umayeni was like, how ubugula but ukwazile ukuthi ulekelele in the processes of making sure ukuthi uAmahle uyalobola, wawazi nokuzilobolela kwaKhwela, and you made sure ukuthi izinto zakho zakaKhwela zihamba kahle, because you must remember ukuthi when they came back they couldn't go to Mzumbe because they were scared ukuthi abanye abafazi bazothini. And who was initiating those conversations? It was uMseleku. So he asked ukuthi manibuya kaKhwela niphethe izinto abanikezile abantu bakaKhwela, nize straight eCPAC. And they came straight to CPAC. We saw uMacele celebrating the fact ukuthi izinto zihambe kahle, but when it comes to uMpumelelo, he couldn't even tell uMpumelelo ukuthi yazi uMpumelelo siqedile. Before uyenza anything, go to Mayeni as umamakho and inform her ukuthi kwenzakaleni, besiwenzani la sibuya khona, those type of vibes. Simple. Didn't need ukuthi nje uyenze izinto, even just going to your home and tell your mom ukuthi mama ngibuya ukwenza into so.